So we got it all pulled apart. Well, most of the way. Went ahead and pulled the intercooler brick out to the manifold. And looks good. These are notorious for failing and filling the manifold with coolant. But we are nice and dry in there other than a little bit of oil, which is normal. So we're about ready to pull the intake manifold off right now. So keep plugging along. Well, we got it apart. I don't know if you guys can see it. Right where my thumb is. Everything else on the head gasket looks good. And that's just the bottom side of that gasket. But that would have been right here, which would have put it right into a coolant jacket. Pretty good chance that's our issue right there. I need to clean this up, but I think we got lucky. And there's not going to be an issue here with the cylinder. I think we'll just clean it up. We'll be all right. There's a little bit right here, but I think we got lucky and it wasn't anything too major. Let's take a look here. That would have been, yep, right there. I did look at the head. Doesn't look like we scorched the head, which is good. Looks like we just got a little bit right here, but I don't think it's going to be enough to worry about. So it'll clean it up. Put a new head gasket on it. I'm going to put an OEM head gasket on it. We're going to put the ARP bolts in, and we will get her put back together. So we got the ARP headsets installed. We're waiting on the gasket to come from Rocky Mountain. I overnighted a bunch of parts that the local parts place didn't have in stock. So unfortunately, we are at a standstill until we get that stuff. So should be here tomorrow. And then we'll get this put back together. Also put the new thermostat in the thermostat housing. Just, we got it apart, might as well do it. Also got a new O-ring for here. And we got some coolant. We should be good to go as soon as parts get here. So, we're cutting it close, but we should be able to make it to Glamis this weekend.